Katie here from Katie's World. Welcome to my channel. Thank you so much for tuning in today. In this video, we're going to be doing a paper piecing from my upcoming Magical Lands album. There is a link below to my shop. However, this is not available as of yet. I'm still working on all of the kits and, as you can see, finishing up the sample. So, but please check out my shop, follow it. I have new projects posted all the time, weekly. Well, not always weekly, but I'm trying to do weekly. But I do have new projects. I do page kits and album kits. So let's go ahead and get started. So I'm going to be using the Art Glitter Designer Dries Clear Liquid Glue. And I'm going to be gluing this down to the base. I know what I was trying to say. I knew I was forgetting something. I was going to say, for updates for when this album will be available, follow me on Facebook and Instagram. I post updates there all the time, so you can see what I'm working on and what's coming up. So that definitely is where you'll find it first, is going to be Facebook. I also do have an email list. If you want to request to be on my email list, I send those out occasionally. So check that out in the description below. I have my email listed there. Okay, so I'm going to use my pin just to pick up a little bit of this glue. Okay, so this is going to say dreams do come true, and the do is going to overlap come. So let me do this word next. So this needs to go down before the word do. And there's an 1/8 of an inch border around, so you just want to center it on there. And then I can stick this down now. Okay, and now we just have stars to add. I'm going to go ahead and add glue in all the big ones first. So you have 3 large stars and 4 small ones. So glue in the large ones first here. Okay, and now the small ones. And the last piece. Thank you so much for watching this video and for staying till the end. If you enjoyed this video, please click the thumbs up button below. If you'd like to see more videos from me and haven't already, please subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to click that bell for notifications so you don't miss a thing. Also, don't forget to follow me on Facebook and Instagram where I post updates of upcoming projects. Once again, the link is below for my shop. Please check it out. Thank you so much and have a great day.